Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hair tutorials. So if you're into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Today we're going to be doing a really super easy updo style that is perfect for the holidays that are coming up. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off by making a ponytail at the crown of your head. And you want to keep this a little bit loose. You don't want it too tight because then you're going to make a gap in the hair to flip the hair up and through and create your first topsy tail. And then you're going to fluff it up to make it look so much more elegant, like you put a bunch of more effort than you actually did. And then you're going to repeat the same thing right underneath that first topsy tail, and you're creating a second topsy tail. And again, make sure to fluff it up. And now for the bun section, you're going to take the rest of your hair, you're going to put it into a ponytail, and on the last loop, you're just going to pull your hair anywhere like about halfway through. Then you're going to take the tail, twist it, and wrap it on top of the bun, and then tuck it back under into the elastic, and then you're all done for this style. And that is it for today's video. Please make sure to give me a big thumbs up as that really helps out my channel. Also hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And be sure to check out all of my social channels down below in the description box. And until next time, bye!